Today we are featuring this 6-bedroom castle located on the Sunshine Island of Jamaica. Tell me what you think. Today we are featuring this 6-bedroom house, or I could say this 6-bedroom castle. This castle is located in the Sunshine Island of Jamaica. This house is one of the most neat and beautiful looking house on the island. Many people say this house is a castle. That's what they say. What do you think? Is this house overrated, or is this house that great amongst the rest of beautiful house on the island? This house consists of 6 rooms, 6 bedrooms, 6 master bedrooms, 4 kitchens, 6 bathroom, car porch, balcony. As you can see, this house have a lot of features and we are only featuring the outside of this house.
Realize glitter upon the wall that I saw. Realize looking at the video that I shine. Glitter done by Flawless. If outside really looks so, what that's about inside. Try to show you every look of detail. We have glitter up on this wall again too. Alright, this wall almost finished too. That wall up the second realize it burn out. And I finish repaint again. And that here is a repaint. So well fun. Some kind of have some little cutting and thing right now.
This paint job was done by the famous painter, aka Wani. To get a job done like this one you see in this video, you need to get the famous painter to get this beautiful and neat and sharp job done. So giving a shout out to the famous painter. Job well done, sir. Now the world will see what great painter you are. However, there is more story to this house. Many people is asking the question, what's the value of this house? I don't know. But what do you think? How much this house value? I think this house value a lot. There is a lot of things associated with Jamaicans and house. When you own a house like this in Jamaica, you have been respectable and looked up to. Because owning a house like this in Jamaica is a job well done. You know, I mean, you have achieved a lot. So, giving a shout out to the owner of this house. You know, so that's a little thing to know about Jamaicans, you know. If you want to be rated in Jamaica, you have to have a decent house. Not the car, the house. House. The house is what makes you great. So, this house looked good and was properly put together, and sure a lot of time and money put in this house. So, big up to all house owners in Jamaica and around the world. Yeah, I'm just saying what I know, you know. I could be right, I could be wrong. I always say, if I'm wrong, tell me if I'm wrong. And if I'm right, just let me know.
Morning.
Do remember, when you have money in life, the number one priority is to build a house or own a house. So, for you people who have a lot of money and afraid to put up a building or buy a house, trust me, there's no regret. Make a house, buy a house, own a house. Be a man or a woman. Make yourself proud and make other people around you feel proud of you. This is all I have to say. And as I always said, if this video was educational or interested, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Until then, see you in my next video.
This house a repaint by a famous painter.